Let me show you how to reset your Xiaomi scooter. So this method will work on any Xiaomi scooter there is. Maybe you're having some problems with the scooter, or maybe something is not working quite right, or you simply need to completely reset it and wipe to the factory settings. Okay, the way to reset it, we first have to turn it off. So make sure it's turned off and the light isn't active. Then we had to use two hands and basically at the same time do three things. Hold this brake lever while also pressing this down and pushing this power button basically. So I'm going to do it at the same time. Push 2 and keep holding till you hear the signal and this red 14 appears and also this range. So you can release it then. You only need to wait till like the red 14 appears once. You don't need to do that several times. I'm just showing for demonstration. And this simple reset procedure can basically fix quite a lot of problems with these scooters. And also maybe if you are selling this scooter, you need to do this procedure basically before you give it to the new owner anyway. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!